Let's look at a right triangle in which the other two angles are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. I'm going to put the 60 degrees more along the bottom so that the 30 degrees is on the top. Okay, so since all these angles are different, all the sides are going to be different. So what I'm going to do is maybe reflect this triangle over the other side there. So we have two right triangles right next to each other. So then the bottom angle on the right side is also 60 degrees, and then the top angle is 30 degrees. Now the reason I did this is because now all the angles are 60 degrees. So this is an equilateral triangle. So that means that all the sides are the same. So the bottom completely is the same. Okay, so let me call this bottom side, I don't want to do 1 because then I would have to do a half and a half. So let me call this 2. So then all these sides are 2. So then half of the 2 will lead us to 1. So let me grab the triangle that I'm actually looking for. Let's find the missing side. So if I want to find this missing side, I'm just call it x for now. So then using Pythagorean theorem, 1 squared plus x squared is 2 squared. So x squared is 4 minus 1, or 3. So then x is technically plus or minus, but since we have acute angles, this is first quadrant, so it's positive. So now we have our right triangle. So we can find all 6 trig functions of, let's start with maybe the 30 degrees. So the sine of 30 degrees is opposite over hypotenuse, so 1/2. Cosine of 30 degrees, adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent of 30 degrees, opposite over adjacent. Multiplying top and bottom by the square root of 3, we get square root of 3 over 3. And then at that point, just take reciprocals. So then the cotangent of 30 degrees is the reciprocal of tangent. Before I rationalized it, so square root of 3. Secant of 30 degrees is the reciprocal of cosine. And then cosecant of 30 degrees is the reciprocal of sine. Okay, so that's all 6 trig functions of our 30 degrees. So we can do the exact same thing for those 60 degrees. But I want to point something out here. Since 30 and 60 are complementary angles, that means that their co-functions of the complementary angle would be the same. What I mean by that is if I look at 60 degrees, the sine of 60 degrees is opposite over hypotenuse, which is square root of 3 over 2, which is the same thing as the cosine of 30 degrees. Okay, so complementary co-functions are going to be the same. So that means that the sine of 30 degrees will be the cosine of 60 degrees. Tangent of 30 degrees will be the cotangent of 60 degrees. Cotangent, tangent, complementary of 30 degrees is 60 degrees. Secant of 30 degrees would be cosecant of 60 degrees. Cosecant of 30 would be secant of 60 degrees. So what I'm trying to get you to see here is that all you really need to know, I would say, is really just sine, cosine, and tangent of 30 degrees, because once you know those, you can find its reciprocals pretty easily. And then once you know sine, cosine, and tangent of 30 degrees, look at their co-functions of the complementary angles, and you know those as well.